Good morning, guys. I'm over here eating dates. These are delicious. So sweet, so thick, creamy almost. But I'm sick. It sucks. Hey, guys. I'm eating some tuna that I cooked with the last egg. Just one egg and a can of tuna cooked together. And yeah, ketchup. And I heated up these tortillas on the pan as well. It's pretty good. Trying to get some extra calories down. I'm so sick today. I ended up falling asleep earlier. And then I woke up because my friends came by. And then another friend came by, and yeah, that woke me up. Now I gotta go to the train station to talk to that guy I met like a month ago or so, picking up bottles at the train station. He gave me 100 krona. If you've seen that video, you'll remember. But yeah, he's allowed me to borrow a MacBook of his and also the keys to his boat so that I could go tomorrow and pick up a Lenovo instead, because I'm much better with Windows. I don't have any experience with Mac. And my online study is about to start. So this guy, he's really actually saving me. Even if I can only use a MacBook, that's better than nothing. So I'm just picking that up today to make sure that I'll at least have something to do the studying from. So yeah, I'm just in a grateful mood. Smoking one of the cigarettes Natya and her boyfriend gave me. Running low. But you know what? I think this may actually be the perfect time to stop smoking. Not only am I broke, but I'm also sick. And I don't know. I just feel like I'm in a place now where I could do it. I think I can do it. I'm gonna attempt to not buy any more tobacco. Let's see how that goes. I'm out going for a little bit of an evening walk. Just gonna meet up with my friend who lets me stay in the apartment real quick. Oh, thank God. That guy, yes, that I met, that's his name. That guy that I met who gave me 100 krona last month, he absolutely saved my ass this month. He was kind of flaky, like he had cancelled our deals to see each other a few times now, like 4 times already. And I was really skeptical, but then on the other hand, I didn't really have another solution to get a laptop in time for my education. So I just crossed my fingers, went to the train station in the evening today, and he fucking showed up and let me borrow his MacBook. I don't know about Mac, but it sure beats not having a laptop, so I'm just gonna have to figure out how those things work. And yeah, education starts the day after tomorrow, so tomorrow I'm just gonna be doing some stuff. I got some emails from the school, some stuff I gotta do. But yeah, I got a laptop now. Let's fucking go. Well, it's not mine, I'm just borrowing it, but let's fucking go, dude. Oh, I'm so happy. And the guy is so nice. He asked me, like, do you have any money? Are you okay? I'm just like, well, I got like 100 for the rest of the month. And he just gave me 500 krona like that. And of course, I immediately told him, listen, dude, I'll pay you back. Like, this is way too much, but I really appreciate it, man. He's just a good guy. That's why I hadn't completely given up on him. He seemed like a genuinely good person, but I guess he was just genuinely busy. It's not that he was trying to avoid me or anything. But it's so cold, guys. Oh, I can feel my nose overflowing with the mucus. I gotta blow my nose and get my hands back in my pockets.